In today's video, I will walk you through how to change or update phone number on PayPal. First, open any browser on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop, and go to the official PayPal website at www.paypal.com. If you are using a smartphone, an Android, or iPhone, make sure to enable desktop mode or desktop site in your browser before continuing. Once you are on the PayPal homepage, click on Login and sign into your PayPal account using your email or phone number and password. After logging in, you will be taken to your PayPal account homepage. The process is mostly the same for both business and personal accounts. If you are using a PayPal personal account, click on the settings icon at the top right corner beside Logout. This will take you directly to your profile settings page where you can find the option to change or update your phone number. Once you find your phone number section, click on Update or Change beside your current phone number. On the next page, to change your old primary phone number to a new one, click on Add New. Now make sure the country code is correct. Enter your new phone number in the required field and then select Mobile in the category. Once you have entered the number correctly, click on Add Number. PayPal will then send a confirmation code to your new phone number. Enter the confirmation code in the confirmation field provided on the screen. After entering the code, click on Confirm. Once your phone number is confirmed successfully, close the confirmation message by clicking on the X icon. You will then return to the phone number section where you can see both your old and new phone numbers listed on the account. To completely replace the old phone number with the new one, click on Remove beside the old phone number. After removing the old number, your new phone number will remain linked to your PayPal account. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can change or update your phone number on PayPal. Thank you for watching.